Good evening, everyone, and welcome to We Inspire, our weekly interview segment where we connect with entrepreneurs and talk about what keeps them inspired and motivated and how they started their business. Joining me today is Mr. Santosh Poduwal, founder and director of MII Agro and Food Innovators Private Limited. He's here to talk about creating a platform for local farmers to sell their food products with the rest of India and the world. Welcome, Santosh.
Hi, Rinay. I'm glad to be on this platform of Vakil Search.
Yes, thank you for joining us and taking the time to do this. Welcome, Santosh. So,
Thank you.
yes. So, to get started, can you introduce your business for our viewers?
In fact, this business which I have started not very recently, I can say I was working on this for a long time,
I see.
and officially it has come into place right now. This is basically a platform for all the farmers and people who are not able to come to the limelight to sell their products. I would be a media for these kind of farmers who would get them and give them the scope of actual market within India and outside India.
Wonderful, wonderful. I mean, our farmers definitely need that support. So, it's a great initiative. So, can you take us through how you got started and as well as the name of the business?
In fact, I started this particular thing, Miss. Definitely, it was there since a long time, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
But due to this current pandemic situation, I thought to give it a shape particularly. I thought this is the right time to give these farmers a particular platform to work on as because I say I'm based in Pune as well as in Bangalore. My family is in Bangalore as well.
Okay.
And majorly what is happening is everywhere in Pune where I have my residence and outside in Bangalore also, there are farmers who come to the societies, the main gates, they get in touch with some or the other person from the society and they want to enter into the society to sell their products.
Right.
Because majorly it has hit them, that is the farmers and other small business owners who
Hmm.
cannot go door to door and sell their products.
Hmm.
So I want to get these farmers and unorganized sectors, certain businesses are there. So I want to get them and organize them and give them this platform through my company called MII and Agro and Food Private Limited, Food Innovators Private Limited. I'll come to the name of this. It is known as, in short, it is known as MIAFI, MIIAFI. It
Okay.
is MII stands for Made in India,
Oh,
and
okay.
so it is Agro and Food Innovators Private Limited.
All right. All right. That's an interesting name. Made in India. Very patriotic.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So was that the intention when you decided to name the business in that manner?
No, in fact, I was thinking of this particular name since a long time. Since our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, he had given a call of made in India kind of thing. But definitely, patriotism is there in each and every Indian for that matter. So it was something like he was just a media to give this particular call. That is what I feel.
Okay.
And it popped out. So whatever is there, it comes out automatically.
Hmm.
And this name also, I have this particular, I booked a website for this particular thing when he had given the initial call also for that matter
Okay.
that has made this call also.
Right.
So that's all.
Sounds good. So coming back to agriculture, it's interesting that you decided to start your business. You've explained your motivation, but I have to go back to your experience. So did you have any prior experience in the field of farming or agriculture?
Yeah, talking about agriculture, in fact, my family, though not my parents as such,
Okay.
but my grandparents definitely, and my uncles, they do have their land, and they belong to the farming culture as such.
I see.
And in fact, I am a person who I am born and brought up in Pune.
Okay.
I'm a Keralite. I'm a Keralite, but born and brought up in Pune as such.
Uh-huh.
And it has always remained there in me. Okay, your relation is there. The end is the soil. That is what
Mm.
I believe.
Okay.
So definitely, whenever since my childhood, I have that connections. Whenever I go to my native, also that connection is there. And later on, it remained somewhere inside. And due to some kind of good conversations with good like-minded people, it grew. And now I am into this particular business of promoting agricultural products for them.
Wow, amazing. So there's a mixture of patriotism and nostalgia over there.
Everything is there.
All right. So can you take us through your past experiences, that is before starting your business? What were you doing, your profile?
In fact, I did my schooling from Pune,
Okay.
and even my colleges were in Pune as such. I went to one of the best colleges in Pune. I am passed out of Ferguson College, Pune,
I
then
see.
Pune University.
Yeah.
And after that, my career, I started my career way back in the 90s. That is, even while I was in college, that is my 11th and 12th, I was working for DSA of company, that is Sumit Sumit washing machine and Sumit mixer grinders. These
Right.
are old names as such, which I am naming right now
Yeah.
because they were literally very good the brands during those time period.
A
So
DSA
I
is a
used,
direct sales associate.
yeah, DSA is the direct sales associate.
Okay.
So I was working with this person uh, with his organization as such, and I was repairing washing machines at the initial stage.
Okay. Quite an
That
experience.
is
Yeah.
that is the thing. Later on, it went to the financial sector. I joined the financial sector. That is, I started again, joined the DSA and worked as a sales executive selling credit cards. This
I
was
see.
for Citibank. I did, and hardly I knew that later on I would be joining Citibank for that matter.
Hmm.
But after my in my post graduation, I worked with a company called Samsung India Electronics Limited. Also,
Okay.
I was working there, and later on, it was again totally into financial sectors with to name with banks like Citibank, Standard Chartered Bank, then with insurance companies also, Bajaj Allianz Insurance. I worked with the cooperative sector very closely, and in fact, that made me change my decision. It impacted me for that matter. But this company was into
Hmm.
softwares in the sense it was making software for the DCC banks and all. That is the cooperative banks and all.
Okay.
So I was handling this region of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, North Malabar, and everything as such.
Okay. So when we were working with the cooperative societies, how did your work impact the farming sector or the farmers?
Yeah, in fact, it's actually a very what you call it was a very unique experience for me as such because my job was pre-sales.
Right.
And pre-sales is something like you need to identify, you need to go to the root cause of what exactly you have to offer to a particular bank, what is their requirement as such. Just to give you an example of, say, an area in Kolhapur.
Okay.
Kolhapur is a rich belt for milk as such in Maharashtra. And there we used to go to the farmers and when I'm talking to the farmers as such, these farmers include people who are into the dairy sector also,
Okay.
dairy farming also. So we had our own POS machine, and I had to go to them and explain how the society person who comes to take the milk from them, they give you the remuneration, say maybe after a week or a month's time duration, and it's on the total basis of how your milk is, whether it is adulterated, what is the pure slip, everything is included in it as such.
Okay.
So here it would be he has a POS machine, he is checking your milk, and he would immediately give you whatever amount it is, it will be credited into your account directly.
Okay.
So it was that easy. And when I'm talking this thing, it is way back in 2008. Initially, WhatsApp is talking about doing their financial things now. But I have spoken about this particular thing in 2008 when I was working with this company that we can give this particular sector the what you call financial inclusion. We call it a
Okay.
financial inclusion. We can include this particular thing through WhatsApp or live videos.
Okay.
Paytm was not there, PayPal was not there, nothing
No.
was there at
No.
those time
Yeah.
duration. Everything
Yeah.
is new. So we belong to a time when we were the initiative, we were just it wasn't talking face kind of.
Hmm. Okay.
It was
Okay.
the case.
All right. So moving away from business, can we talk a little bit about your family life? That is how you manage a balance between your family life and your life as an entrepreneur.
Okay, okay. In fact, family is the priority for me,
Okay.
and it has become a priority for me. I would say after I lost my elder daughter to cancer.
I see.
Initially, it was like something like the corporate world. Even I was a workaholic kind of person.
Okay.
But later on, when I felt okay, this is not the case. Things should be balanced.
Okay.
So I had to take certain harsh decisions as such.
Mhm.
And if I have to give that amount of time to my family, definitely need to start something of my own. I should be my own boss as such for that matter. So these kind of thought process it started coming.
Yeah.
And now, currently, I can say that in fact, my family is happy to have me majority of the time whenever he wants. So it is a very well balanced thing, whatever is going on.
Okay.
I have a child. She is 10 years old now.
Okay.
My wife is working with a MNC out here in Bangalore,
Okay.
and my rest of my family, that is my parents, are in Pune.
Okay.
Siblings are in Pune. Everyone is in
Okay.
Pune.
Well, thank you for sharing that, Santosh, and my condolences. It's something very personal, but it's also very real, and it's not easy to talk about it. But you've taken something unfortunate and turned it into something positive. So, hats off to you. And again, a lot of my condolences from your myself. You know, yeah. Can you talk about another aspect? I guess is about the services that you've taken with Vakil Search. Can you talk about the overall experience?
In fact, the Vakil Search, in fact, I have been in contact with Vakil Search for the past, you can say, since 2013 almost.
Uh-huh.
Since 2013. Vakil Search started, I believe, way back in 2012, right? If I'm not mistaken.
2010.
2010 or 12?
10.
10, 10. Okay, okay, okay. So, in fact, initial stages, uh, I have another company which is into recruitment as such.
Mm.
And initially, I took the opportunity of the incorporating this particular company uh, with Vakil Search in 2013 or 14, somewhere
Yeah.
during those time duration.
Okay.
And the kind of support that I got from Vakil Search, it was really, really very good and excellent.
Right.
I really don't know. Means, is it that when you don't have that much of client to cater, that you approach, or when you have enormous number of clients, then you forget? So that is not the case with me.
Okay.
Where the experience with Vakil Search for me is whenever you have the support mail, whenever I have anything as such, I can shoot a mail and there is an immediate response to that mail as such. To name out here, initial stages, I spoken to Mr. Rishikesh also, if I'm not mistaken. And Zara was a great support for me in the
Okay.
initial stages. After that, to name, there are n number of people whom I have been talking to. You have, Rina, you have added to that list as such now. It's
Sure.
really great. It's really great to talk to you too. No,
Sure. My
so,
pleasure. My pleasure.
it's a kind of bonding that over a time period that I have developed with Vakil Search, and you won't believe I've started marketing for you.
Oh,
I have
yeah.
started, I have started talking to a number of people about Vakil Search as such. Even my CA, who was not aware of these services and all,
Okay.
even now he is aware. That, okay, this is the thing. Just a week back, I spoke to my brother-in-law also. He is also incorporating a company, but if you go by the common sense as such, what people do is they check for the web and they talk to a number of people and again get confused.
Yeah.
But for me right now, it is trial tested, and I definitely don't have any complaints as far as till date it is concerned regarding the research.
Good to hear that, and thank you for the review. So moving on to the final part, would you mind sharing your future plans in terms of your business?
Well, the future plans actually, I really never think too less as such. That is
Okay.
what people known to me or my family say.
Okay.
It is always more and more. So the plans are, you can say it is something like a very big plan that I have in mind, and which I want to implement definitely if by God's grace, if everything goes good,
Yeah.
well, then it would happen for that matter. So, as I told about this particular company of mine, which is exclusively for this food products that I am getting, so I want to make a name out of this particular company in India as well as out of India, so that these farmers they have a platform
Mm.
through me, and I would be a proper channel for them. That is why what I expect. So tomorrow, if you come across MII,
Yeah.
Agro Food Innovators Private Limited,
Mm.
do think about me.
Definitely, definitely.
In
Well,
short, it is MIAFI, MIAFI, MIAFI.
sure, sure. Well, from all of us here at Vakil Search, we wish you the very best. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us on this.
Thank you, Riman. Thanks a lot.